We all have days where like maybe you're underslept, maybe you're tired, maybe you're distracted, and things just totally go off the rails. And like if you start beating yourself up over that, you don't allow yourself the chance to move forward. And so all you can do is then start to focus on what are the solutions. You know, if you were trading tired, if you were trading distracted, how can you either prevent those situations, or how can you minimize your risk when that occurs? You can really start to dissect at a very, very high level what were the issues and what are the solutions. So I think like you just start going to work, right? And I think traders also need to learn to just accept that we're not perfect. There will be times where we have just total blowout days that are awful. There will be times where we game plan and we don't follow a single word of it. But even as Bella says, like if there's a really bad loss, give yourself one day to mope. Then after that, just get to work and move on. There's no living in the rearview mirror, and wrong process days happen, and we just got to do better in the future.
Hey, go ahead and click our subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos they're producing for you in the trading community. And please take the time to add your feedback in the comments section for what videos you'd like for us to produce next and what you found helpful from this video. From all of us at S&B, train and trade well.